In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move your Steam games and libraries to a different drive or folder. This is an incredibly useful skill to have, especially as modern games get larger and larger, quickly filling up your primary SSD. Instead of deleting your favorite titles and re-downloading them later, which wastes time and bandwidth, you can simply move the installation files to a secondary hard drive or a new high-speed NVMe. We are going to cover how to set up a brand new library location and then how to migrate individual games safely so you don't lose any data or save files. If this video helps you clear some space or organize your gaming setup, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful tech guides. Let's get started. First, open the Steam client on your computer and make sure you are logged in. Once the application is open, look at the very top left corner of the window and click on the word Steam. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. This will open up a new window with various categories on the left-hand side. You want to look for the section labeled Storage and click on it. This is the central hub where Steam manages all of your installed content across different drives. Once you are in the Storage menu, you will see a visual representation of your current drive and how much space is being used by games, DLC, and other files. If you are looking to move games to a drive that Steam isn't using yet, you will need to click on the Add Drive option at the top. This will let you select a new folder or partition on your PC to act as a secondary Steam library. Please note that if you only have one drive connected, you won't see additional options here, but as soon as you plug in a new drive, it will appear in the selection list. Now that you have your destination library set up, let's talk about how to actually move the game files. Navigate back to your main Steam library where all your games are listed. Find the specific game you want to move and right-click on its title. From the context menu, select Properties at the bottom. A new Properties window will pop up. On the left sidebar of this window, click on the tab that says Installed Files. This section is where you manage the local data for that specific game. Here, you should see a button that says Move Install Folder. If you have successfully added a second drive in the previous step, clicking this button will allow you to select that new Steam library location from a drop-down menu. If you don't see this button, it usually means Steam doesn't recognize a second valid library path yet, so double-check your storage settings. Select the new drive and click Move. Steam will then begin the process of transferring the game files from your old drive to the new one. The time this takes will depend on the size of the game and the speed of your drives. Once the progress bar finishes, the game is ready to play from its new home without any extra setup required. It's a seamless process that keeps all your settings and save data perfectly intact. And that is how you move Steam games and libraries like a pro. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to support the channel. Thanks for watching.